Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Unleivpe 8000A to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product. This portable car jump starter offers a peak power of 8,000 amperes. A full charge provides up to 50 starts for 9.0-liter gasoline or 8.0-liter diesel engines and 12-volt vehicles. Suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and SUVs, it features an automatic supercharger that activates even in extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, providing extra current to start the engine when the battery is detected to be extremely low. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Unleivpe 8000A battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, light button, minus button, plus button, display, power button, mode button, LED light. How to use. Fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.